Hi everybody, today I'm going to make buffalo chicken cheese rolls. So similar to the pizza rolls, but this one is buffalo chicken cheese roll. So at this time, hold to see the ingredients. Okay, so this is pulled rotisserie chicken. So I got a whole rotisserie chicken, took off all the meat, put it in the bowl, shredded it up real good. Then I have 1 block cream cheese, softened. Then about 2 cups of, I would call it the Frank's Buffalo hot sauce. And 1 bag mozzarella. Probably going to be a little bit more than 1 bag, because it's got to go with all that meat. Okay, I put a lot of cheese because that's what I like. And then next thing you're going to need is to mix it up. You want to mix it all up so that's all in there. You want that hot sauce, you want that cheese. If you have to add more hot sauce to make sure it goes all the way through, got to make sure it does for it to work. I'm going to mix it until it's really good mixed. I might put a tiny bit more buffalo sauce in here if it doesn't look like it's mixed all the way, but not too much more, just enough to make sure that everything gets a little touch of it so that it has that good flavor all the way through. And then once it's completely mixed, you might add a few little seasons, just a few little seasonings in there. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of garlic powder, very tiny bit, not a lot, just enough to give it a little extra flavor. And then mix it up all the way, make sure everything gets fully mixed. When it's fully mixed, that's when we're going to make our rolls. Now all you need is some flat tortilla shells, the soft tortilla shells. I've already softened them by putting them in the microwave, you can see. So we're going to take out one, and actually before we actually put anything on here, we want to put a little bit of olive oil on the actual parchment paper. Alright, then I'm going to put this on. Make sure I put enough in here that it can roll. That should be enough to roll it. Okay, that's one. Very simple to roll. About the same amount each, one. And again, this is buffalo chicken cheese rolls. If you like the recipe, please like and subscribe so that everybody else, including you, will have access to this. If you like and subscribe, anytime I do any kind of recipe, you'll be able to see it. And that way you can always go back to it if you like and subscribe as well. I find rotisserie chicken to be the tastiest when it comes to this kind of thing, especially like if you get one, you can get it from anywhere. Get one rotisserie chicken and you just peel off all that good meat. You don't need the skin. Matter of fact, I would suggest not using the skin because it doesn't really go for a really good look. By the time you're done, it looks more like a burrito or like an egg roll. Okay, again. Now I already have the oven already ready for the rolls when we're done. This is great for meal prep. If you want to have this at a later date, maybe you don't want to have it right away, but you want to have it later, this is perfect for that. Because once they're done, all you have to do is heat them up afterwards. If you want them, you know, say you have a lot left over, like I'm probably going to have a lot left over, then it tastes real good. And you can have it even after the fact. Okay, it looks like I only have one more left. So I might have more of the chicken than I need, which is fine because you can make your own. You can just put it in the oven and make your own like chicken dip, like buffalo chicken dip for the side. So it's not a big deal if you have a little extra. The one thing you do want to remember is after that's completely done, after it's completely seasoned, still put a little bit of olive oil spray on top, and then it's going to go in the oven.